Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a private channel on Discord by using your phone. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. First of all, you have to have Discord installed on your phone, which can be installed through App Store. Open your Discord. This is a private server. Now, how to create a private channel. On the top left side, you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on that lines. There are two channels, one is text and one is voice. To create a text channel, tap on the plus sign of the text channel, or if you want to create a voice channel, then tap on plus sign of the voice channel. In this case, I'm going to create a text channel, so I'm going to tap on the plus sign besides the text channel. Type the channel's name. I'm going to type like this is private. Then as it is a text channel, I'm going to select this text channel. If you want to create a voice channel, then you can tap accordingly. To create a private channel, you have to turn on this switch, then tap on next. You can create roles and members, those who can join this channel or server. You can also skip this, so on the top right side there is skip button. I'd like to skip this one. So now this private channel has been created. To add members, here you can see add members or roles. Tap on that, then select people you want to add here. Tap on add. Then to see how many people are there, on the top right side there is icon of person. Tap on that. Here you can see there are two people in this private channel. That is all. This is how you create a private channel in Discord. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.